First up this evening, upset in St. James as persons detained in the state of emergency have been transferred to Kingston due to overcrowding at the Freeport police station in Montego Bay.
This has left family members of detainees irate as there was little information forthcoming from the officers.
And as TVJ's Lanagay Franklin now reports, for a second time this week there was chaos outside the facility.
We have no space. A St. James senior cop tries to quell a rowdy crowd gathered outside the Freeport station, demanding answers as to why their loved ones are being relocated to Kingston.
Every single person here that needs answers, you will be getting answers. As it relates to the detaining list, those that we still have and those that are going to Kingston, because we're overwhelmed inside here. And we have to take into consideration human rights where detainees or prisoners are concerned, and we cannot have an overcrowded situation existing in here.
SSP Campbell was addressing the crowd after persons started venting their displeasure with the lack of information relating to their families. Persons say they have been at the location from as early as 7 a.m., some for the regular visits, while others are just seeking answers.
If they are processed and they are not charged, why they don't send them out? If you don't send them out, if they are processed and you don't send them out, they are going to be fooled.
I do not know the basis for that answer. It's a good answer, but one thing I do know is that since we started, we would have taken in more than 700 detainees, and we have less than 100 in custody as we speak.
Since the state of emergency, questions have been raised about the capacity of the Freeport police station to accommodate persons detained in the various police military operations. There have always been concerns about the poor conditions under which persons are being held at the facility. Meanwhile, in the midst of the chaos, one resident had a concern of a different kind. He's upset because he says travel documents seized from his home during a search by the security forces were removed. He explained that he's an entertainer, adding that he has lost several opportunities of earning an income.
Like every minute come back tomorrow, or go wait, come back tomorrow, or go wait and go wait and go wait. When we go wait on every day from Monday until now, how much DSP me miss out? You know what I mean? As an entertainer, as a public figure, which part I can't hide. Why them take my documents and man is like my flight all miss me? You know what I mean? This a cost me. This is not good for my economy.
Lanagay Franklin, TVJ News.